Hey creators, welcome back to our YouTube channel SEO Specialist. Today we are talking about something every YouTuber need to know. The types of SEO on YouTube. If you want more views, more subscribers and videos that rank in the search result, this is for you. By the end of this video, you will understand all the different types of YouTube SEO and how to use them. Let's dive into it. What is YouTube SEO? YouTube SEO simply means optimizing your videos so they rank higher on the YouTube and show up in the recommended videos. Think of it like YouTube is the world's second largest and biggest search engine after Google. If you know how to optimize your content, YouTube will do the hard work is which can bring viewers to you. Types of SEO on YouTube. Now let's break down the types of SEO you can do on YouTube. On-page SEO. This is everything you do inside your video upload. Number 1. Optimize titles with keywords. Number 2. Detailed descriptions with keywords and links. Number 3. Smart tags and keyword variations. Number 4. Thumbnails that can increase the clicks. Number 5. Adding subtitles, captions and chapters. Off-page SEO. This is all about promotion outside YouTube. Number 1. Sharing your video on social media. Number 2. Embedding it on blogs and websites. Number 3. Getting backlinks from forums or communities. The more traffic you bring from outside, the better YouTube ranks your video. Technical SEO. The part focus on video quality and technical factors. Using high resolution thumbnails, fast loading and mobile friendly formats, proper release and metadata, making sure your channel homepage is optimized. Engagement SEO. This is where your YouTube really pays attention. Number 1. Watch time. How long people watch. Number 2. Click-through rate. How many click your thumbnails. Number 3. Engagement. Likes, comments, shares, subscriptions. The algorithm pushes video with strong audience engagement. Channel level SEO. Not just videos, but your whole channel needs optimization. Number 1. Using clear channel name and keyword-rich description. Number 2. Organize your videos into playlists. Number 3. Maintain consistent branding with banners and profile pictures. Number 4. Upload regularly to signal activity. Here's a pro tip. Don't just focus on type of SEO. Combine them. For example, start with on-page SEO, title, text or descriptions. Then boost with off-page SEO. You can share them on social media. And finally, encourage engagement SEO by asking viewers to like, comment and subscribe. That's how you can create a full SEO cycle for growth. So to quickly recap, there are 5 main types of SEO on YouTube. On-page, off-page, technical, engagement and channel level SEO. Mastering all 5 will make your YouTube channel and videos stand out and grow them faster. If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment below which type of SEO do you use the most. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.